boys and girls, here they are. The new Stage 3 Elka shocks for the 18 XMRs. Apparently something was different because it took them forever to figure it out, but there we go. Also have to give a thanks to Mr. ATV, which I'm sure most of you guys follow. Gave me a nice little discount code, so you might want to talk to him, because I know Elka's helped him out and been a partner of his, so he's sharing the love and passing it along. They look pretty good, nice and beefy, real pretty. It's gonna be a shame to get these things all dirty. I did give them my weights, riding style, couple little tweaks just because we're pretty heavy clay mud here. And yeah, so I'm gonna start in the back, get these ugly old pogo sticks out that, you want my honest opinion, are pretty junky, but all right, let's get to a comparison. Looks to be exactly the same size from where I had it set. So we'll put them in, see what the sag's like. I had about 15 inches of ground clearance, so if it's off a bit, we'll just crank the preload down a hair or so. Probably have to adjust the piggyback there, but get them in, see where we have it. Back's done. Pretty much pop right in. Everything fit good. They actually set it up the way I asked them to. Still have tons of ground clearance, about 15 inches. So as you can see, this side, the exhaust side, the canister's flipped to the front. The other side is pointing to the back, but no, she went mint, so onto the front. There we go, front's in. Top bolt up there, you can see there's not a lot of room. A little too lazy to pull the plastics, the inner fenders off, so made it a little harder. And I guess if you got tiny little fingers, it's not so bad, but other than that, you know, same thing. Fit right in. These, I think I may have to adjust the preload a bit. There was a little more wiggle room compared to when I pulled the Fox shocks out, so we'll see what happens. Finish up the other side, slap them on, see where we sit. So there we got her, all buttoned up. Back to the 15 inches of ground clearance that I had before. Difference being is there's some movement in the suspension, so worked out well. So I still have the 15 inches of ground clearance. Did have to adjust the preload slightly in the front, but I still do have some movement, which you can see. I know it's not a ton, but compared to the podiums, they were totally locked out, and maybe it moved 1/4 of an inch. So this should provide me with the best of both worlds, where I do have full ground clearance that I had before, and still have some suspension. It's not a total mud machine, so I do want something decent, but we do hit a lot of